It is Friday here today in the Commonwealth Village. It's been a little while since I've spoken to you, but as I speak to you today, I've still got 5 days until I compete. Let's have a little catch up on the last 5 days in Gold Coast. The time is finally here. I'm on my way to the Commonwealth Village. I can't wait to check it out. From the pictures I've seen, it looks incredible.
I don't know how she sweating me. Live can't get with me. Better stop testing me. Can't break bread with me. She ain't on the same young till her own.
Okay, perfect. We're all checked in. Got my accreditation looking nice and official. If you don't know, Tandy's coached me this week. It's time to go check out where we're staying. Let me give you a quick tour of the apartment. The bathroom, my bedroom, little kitchen space, beanbags, TV, balcony, little area for a swimming pool. Chill out. This is always the most exciting time because I've just received my kit.
Stay down inverted. Hey, to save your energy, conserve it. Keep your 2 cents, don't insert it. Check the blueprints, I'm in the building. Squad in the building, we turn up for certain. You spy on me, I am in your recent search.
This vlog is coming straight from the aeroplane ceremony. It's just marched out. Team Space got an awesome reception from this on the crowd. I just got goosebumps, man. I'm so excited for this to all kick off. This is the start of it, this is the start of the games.
Weekends I barely, peace and prosperity. Drinking not happy, she can't stop texting me. I don't know how she sweating me. Live can't get with me. Better stop testing me. Can't break bread with me. I am no guy, I can't get the moves, so just wait for my ride. If he's off the leash, you invested some time with a hell of a grind. See, these are not yours, and these are not mine. Rolly bust down, guess it happened on time. Believe in my I knew we were gonna shine, shout out to my dogs who invested some time. I'm one of a kind, but still on my grind. Don't start it or stop it. Drew Brees in my pocket, my don't drop it. Pull up in that op, I do. You can't stop it, we want it, we cop it. On IG, I'm trending. My name is the topic, pull up in that art. We fucking, we off. My flow, I be on it, don't see no components. RIP to LA. They know I component, they know I be on it. They say numbers don't lie, including exponents, my got work. Ain't talking deployment.